Hello, and welcome to the 10-minute pod where we think, talk, and wrap it up in 10. Today's episode is about habits, but not the ones you have already heard 100 times. आज वो बात नहीं करेंगे. Wake up at 5 a.m., read 100 pages, drink 5 liters of water, walk 10,000 steps. आज ये सारी बातें नहीं होंगी. आज हम एक्चुअली बैठ के बात करेंगे, just you and me, about 10 weirdly small habits that will secretly change your life. These habits are the kind that feels oddly simple but have a surprisingly deep impact over time. और ये ऐसे वैसे ही habits नहीं है. It's unique, it's fresh, and it's realistically small habits. Habit number 1. Start your day with just 30 seconds of stillness. Yes, before you check your phone, before brushing your teeth, before getting up, just get up, sit in your bed and sit still. Just 30 seconds. बहुत लोगों ने आपको बोला होगा, get up 5 minutes, do meditation. But nobody told कितने देर, कितने time, कब, कैसे. Nobody told that. I'm here to tell you that. Just get up, sit in your bed, don't check your phone. Keep your eyes closed, palm open, just like you're receiving the day. It feels like nothing, but it's quietly tell you, your body, that you are safe. There's no rush. You're breathing slow, your thoughts organize themselves, and it's just like that. Your nervous system begins the day in peace, not panic. It's small, it's powerful, and it's yours. कहते हैं दिन की शुरुआत अच्छी करनी चाहिए, पर दिन की शुरुआत अपने साथ क्यों ना करना. Just 30 seconds. Nobody is telling you to do a 5-minute meditation because जो लोगों के साथ problems होती है, even that is one of me as well. फिर 5 minutes या 1 minute शांत बैठना, it's literally impossible for some people. And I get it, I get you. But 30 seconds, आप सिर्फ शांत बैठ के मन में आप 1, 2, 3 काउंट भी कर सकते हो. Just 30 seconds and you won't realize, but it will have a great impact to your day. Habit number 2. Every Sunday, change your phone wallpaper to one word. Your why. Maybe it's freedom, maybe peace, maybe money, maybe relationship, anything. The word that becomes your compass. A reminder of why you're doing what you're doing. हर बार जब फोन लॉक करते हो, you get realigned. You're just not reacting anymore, you're choosing. It's like a visual nudge that gives you power to hold your thoughts with you. It's a study as well that visuals, pictures, gives you more power than just words or something that you hear. It helps you to transform the decisions that you take towards your goal. So every Sunday or every alternative week as well, however you like it, change your wallpaper into one of your goals. That will really help you. Now to habit number 3, and I'm sure you can guess. Drink water. No, not just drink water or drink 3 liters of water. I'm not saying that. I am saying drink your morning water from a glass, not a bottle. Sounds ridiculous, right? But here's why it's important. A glass forces you to slow down. You sip, you breathe. It feels intentional. Unlike bottles, it doesn't contain microplastics. And somehow, this one small change makes hydration feels like a ritual, not a chore. Trust me, your skin, your gut, and your mind will thank you. Now to habit number 4. Once a week, take a slow walk. No phone, no music, no destination. It's you and the world. Just walking, just noticing. You'll be surprised at what your brain serves you during these silent times. Your thoughts slow down, your ideas come out of hiding. It's like you're giving your soul some breathing room. In today's world, that's rare. But that's important. Instead of doing 10,000 steps daily and going this many miles daily, that's not important. That is important if you're trying to stay fit, but it feels more like a pressure than a need. So take a slow walk. once a week, that's it. It can be a 10-minute walk, a 15-minute walk, that's it. Now to habit number 5. Create one screen free zone in your house, even if it's just one chair. That spot becomes your space for calm. You sit there to write, read, sip chai, or no phones allowed. It's like a little pause button in a noisy life. Over time, that corner starts feeling sacred. It's like a whisper from the universe that says, slow down, you're allowed to be present. I know it's very hard to stay not on your phone all the time and your PC and your TV. I know it's very hard with these times with iPad kids. I get it. But you can create a zone in your house. It can be a very small space where you can sit, but there is no phone allowed. And you'll see how these things will start giving you a very, very huge impact in your life. Habit number 6. Send a short voice note to someone once a week, just like 30 seconds. I know people are very busy, but instead of thinking like that, think about sending a very short voice note. It can be, hey, I was thinking of you, hope you're okay. That's it. It can be just like that. You'll be surprised how much connection lies in those small words. Not every relationship needs a long call. Just like best friends, they don't talk for months, then one day they talk, and that's it. They're back to where they were. That is how it works. कभी कभी एक छोटी सी आवाज is enough, and it reminds you you're not alone, neither they are. You'll be surprised to know habit number 7. But do one task a day with your non dominant hand. Brushing, stirring chai, unlocking a door, opening a book, whatever. You know why? Because it wakes up the other side of your brain. It feels clumsy at first, I'm sure, but the awkwardness builds the neutral path. It builds a mini brain workout. And over time, you feel sharper, quicker, more alive in your body. That will really help. And it's very simple. Do something very basic, just like I told you. But one task, that's it. Not everything all the time. One task a day. That's it. Now to habit number 8. Put your phone in another room during one meal a day. You heard me right. फोन के बिना, आईपैड के बिना, टीवी के बिना आजकल लोग खाना नहीं खाते. बट one meal a day and preferably breakfast. But anything that works for you, be it lunch, dinner, doesn't matter. But eat one meal a day without scrolling. Taste the food. Hear your thoughts with it. You've forgotten how sacred food is. And this one habit brings you back to your senses and to yourself. And you'll enjoy food more. Habit number 9. Take one aesthetic photo every day. Not for Instagram, not for likes, but just for you. And if not every day, at least once a week or twice a week. Why? I'll tell you. It rewires your brain to notice beauty, to see life, not just rush through it. It could be a sunlight on the floor, a leaf, a cup of chai, whatever. But when you start noticing these small things that brings you joy, बड़ा कुछ बदलने लगता है inside you. Trust me on this one. And now for the last habit, the 10th weird habit. Before you sleep, say this one line to yourself. आज दिन अच्छा गया. Yet today I lived. That's it. No judgment, no overthinking, just acknowledgement. Because not every day has to be productive. Sometimes the fact that you've made it through is enough. And when you end your day with acceptance, you begin the next one with grace. So these were 10 weirdly small habits. You don't have to do them all, just start with one. Because change doesn't always need a revolution. Sometimes it begins with a glass of water, a walk, or no phone. और ये एपिसोड का गोल ही यही है that changing habits should not feel like a pressure or a burden. Start today with these